We're here in the field today with a night sprayer, and we're going to show you how to use the controller on this machine. We're using a Touch 1200 computer and we're running it in task controller mode. So the first thing we need to do is create a task. Add a task, and we can add various information in the task, but we absolutely have to have a field, so that's all we're going to enter today. And we are in Strawson's Meadow. Accept the task that we've created and then activate it with the start key here. Now when we activate the task, Track Leader wakes up and we get the GPS screen showing our position and the field, and you can see there, that's the field we're going to spray, and we're sitting just inside the gate there. We're going to run in headland mode so we can use auto guidance on the headlands, and so that we can spray the middle of the field before we spray the headlands. So the first thing we have to do is create a headland. It's telling us we've got a 28 metre machine. Are we happy with that? And we say yes, we are, and it will generate a headland. And to flick from headland mode to tramline mode, we press the headland button, and there we go. We can now navigate to the start point on auto steer. We've now reached the point that we want to start spraying, so we switch out of headland mode into tramline mode, and you can see it's showing the tram lines there, and I've named them tram lines for year 2020. We have to switch on auto manual section switching there, and it's come up at the bottom to say we're in auto. We now turn on the spray and the spray bar turns red, so when we drive into the work the spray will come on automatically. Switch off the task controller so that we can see what's going on with the sprayer, and we're away. Click on the auto steer. We approach the headland, the section switching takes over. The information we're getting along the bottom of the track leader screen is showing us the forward speed we're travelling at. It's showing us the size of the field, 2.8 hectares, and it's showing us the area of the field that we've got left to spray. It's showing that we're in auto steer, auto section switching, and giving us the satellite information. Along the top, the light bar is showing us the degree of accuracy. And because we're running on auto steer on RTK, that's pretty close to spot on. But if you want to, and you don't have auto steer, you can literally drive manually by that light bar. The top screen is showing us the sprayer information, and it's showing us there our target rate and our actual rate. We've now completed the field and we're going to switch into headland mode to spray the headland. So the first thing you need to do before you switch into headland mode is switch off the spray. Then press the headland button, and there we are. We can now spray the headland and use the auto guidance lines. I want to spray in this direction, so I'm going to use a little trick with the auto steer and reverse down the tram line. We're now spraying the headland on auto guidance. We've now completed the field. We can see the shape and the coverage map of the field if we press that button. We can zoom this in and out if we want and move it about, and if we wish to return to straight ahead, we just press the compass arrow.